Hello, thank you for joining, and this is your girl Eveline Sofi. Today I'm super excited because I want to teach you 3 ways on how to make your dream come true, how to attract abundance, and how to bring your desires into life. So I'll go ahead and get started. The first way on how to make your abundance come true or how to make your dream come true will be worthy of your dream. Feel worthy. Learn how to feel worthy of your dream. A lot of us are not worthy. We don't feel worthy of our dreams. If you don't feel worthy of your dream, then it will affect the amount of action that you take to make it happen. So if you really believe that it's gonna happen, then you're going to take massive action to make it happen. But most of the time, if you don't believe it's gonna happen, you will not take as much action. So learn how to feel worthy of your dream. Know that you deserve it. I know Steve Harvey made a statement one time that a lot of us will go to heaven and will be amazed at what God had actually kept for us on earth, but we never took the time to ask for what we need because we didn't feel worthy of it. So learn how to feel worthy of your desires. So that would be my first step. The second one will be learn how to receive. So when I talk about receiving, I mean learn how to receive from small things to big things. Most people don't know how to receive small things, as little as compliments. I see that with a lot of women. Most of the time, when you tell somebody, I like what you have, they try to deflect it. They'll be like, oh, you have something good too. No, when they say, I like what you have, say thank you and receive it and really feel how it feels. Don't deflect it. So if you start receiving small things, it's going to make it easy for you to be able to receive big things. So that would be the second step. Learn how to receive and start by receiving small things, as small as compliments. Or even if someone wants to open the door for you, don't say, I got this. No. Thank that person that actually used that service. So that will be the second step. And then the third one will be keep an open mind. When you have a desire, don't try to control exactly how you're going to get that desire. For example, let's say you're a single lady, you're looking for a man. If you have a boyfriend that you like, you don't have to say, I must get married to this man. No, tell God, I want to get married and I'm open to whoever God wants me to get married to. And guess what? Your dream partner will come. It might be the guy that you're currently with, it might be somebody else. Keep an open mind. It applies with a lot of other circumstances. Even if you want money, if you're looking for money, you don't want to say my money has to come only from my business or only from my job. Keep an open mind. There are so many ways that money can come to you. So the first one is feel worthy of what you're asking. And the second one will be learn how to receive what you want. And the last but not the least is keep an open mind. There are so many strategies on how to do this. I have a course currently going on, aligning your energy with abundance. It's a very life-changing class. I'm holding this class every Saturday at 10 a.m. Central. However, once you join, I'll send you a Zoom link, and if you can make it, I will definitely send you a replay. So go to my website, growwealtheasy.com, and sign up. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye.